I got a free coupon to get this free at Target, and it really piqued my interest.
So let's try these out.
Here's what it smells like. Hey, that has a pretty good scent to it. If only we had this in 2020. So you can use this in the kitchen, the bathroom, or on your electronics. And here are all the diseases it literally wipes out. Too bad it can't take out AI COVID. Here's what a single sheet looks like. Now time to disinfect. I need my glasses to see where I need to wipe down. Oh, I guess you could say the timing was impeccable that I got these wipes. Yeah.
Honestly, I thought the scent was pretty good. It had a good citrusy, flowery scent to it that was really strong. And the only way to know if this disinfected from all those different diseases is if I lick the surfaces and see if I catch them. I want to stay healthy, so I'm not going to do that. These are very moist, so as you can see when I was wiping some of the surfaces initially, there's a lot of moisture that was left over after wiping it down. I wish it wasn't as moist and left all that, especially when wiping my electronics. So I'm going to give this a product proximity score of an 8.5 out of 10. And how likely would I be to use this again? 9 out of 10. So it's worth a shot to see if you like this as a disinfectant.